Everyone, I'm back. It's just a few minutes later. I've plugged the unit into the wall, put the hard disk in, flipped the power on, and hooked it to the laptop. And the transfer speeds are really good. This should be a 130 megabyte file. Let's copy it over to the drive. And that's really quick. That's just as quick as if it was hooked natively into the PC. USB 3.0 could easily handle this drive with this device. I'm pretty sure you could use any solid state drive on the market and it would get full speed with this. This unit would really be great for just cloning disk is over, or just leaving hooked up to your desktop, or it's actually even great for a laptop because you can just hook it up really quick. It's just one USB and these just slide in and out. It's plug and play. The transfer speeds are good. I've got to give this a thumbs up. I really like it, and I don't think you'll find one any better for the price because it's pretty reasonably priced. So give me a like on the video and subscribe. Thanks everyone.
Alright, so this is the WAVLINK docking station and hard drive cloner. So I've used cloning softwares and they're okay. Some of them you have to pay for. This, you don't have to pay every time you clone something, and you don't have to plug into a PC. It just pulls the operating system from one disk and puts on another one. So here we have an old Seagate, original Windows 7 era, over 10 years old, and we're going to put it on a new PNY, just a cheap SSD from Walmart. And yeah, 500 gig, you just have to match the same capacity, and we hold that for 3 seconds until that starts, and then it will start cloning, and it'll take a while.
So picked up this WAVLINK yesterday. Got here late last night. Shipping was about a day late, but no biggie. Otherwise, got this thing, plugged it in, inserted a drive, and bam. I mean, it's just as simple as that. This is a 2.5-inch solid state drive that I couldn't get working internally in my computer, but I plugged it in here, and I mean, it worked in a heartbeat. It's super easy to hook up. It's super easy to use. I don't know why anybody would not want to get one of these and use it. So awesome. Enjoy if you order it. Thanks.
Backing up right now.